Okay, this one is about chaining comparison operators. And let's say the Döner price should be between 5 to 10 euros. It shouldn't be less than 5, because then you really have to be concerned about the quality of the stuff that they put in there, like where does the meat come from. It shouldn't be more than 10 euro, because it's just fucking ridiculous. So let's say Döner, why isn't it price is, let's say 5. If Döner price is greater than or equal to 5, and Döner price less than or equal to 10, colon, print, open bracket, quotation mark, good price. All right, now let's run this. Okay, 5, what happens if I do 4 here? It doesn't output anything because I didn't add the else column. Print. Don't trust this. Don't trust this, okay. And if I do 11, yeah, don't eat this. Let's say don't eat this. An $11, 11 euro Döner you could probably trust, but you should not eat it because it's just ridiculous. Unless you're in Zurich, of course, then it's a steal. Bum, bum. Okay, now this is the kind of usual way of writing it, but if you use chaining comparison operators, if you chain comparison operators, then there's another way to write this, which is if 5 and then lesser than or equal to Döner price and lesser than or equal to 10, column. So let's see. I feel like I'm missing something here. Oh my god. All right. Let's remove this from the equation. So 11, don't eat this, okay. 10, good price. 5, good price. 4, don't eat this. There we go. So if 5 lesser than or equal to Döner price, so if 5 is lesser than or equal to the Döner price, then it's good price. No, okay. If 5 and then the Döner price has to be either higher or equal to, then it's good price. And then if the Döner price is either smaller or equal to 10, then it's also a good price. But if it's outside of this condition, outside of this range, so that's really how you can think about it, then it's a do not eat this. Okay. Okay. Let's see what Good or Ghoul says. Chaining comparison operators. Comparison operator chaining allows us to write cleaner, more readable code when evaluating multiple conditions. Okay. So here we have if A is less than B and B is less than C. Okay, and this is the same as if A is less than B and B is less than C. Makes actually a lot of sense. Short circuit evaluation. Okay, if one of the conditions is then either true or false, immediately between non-adjacent elements. Okay. Best practices: use chaining to improve readability, ensure expressions make logical sense, use parentheses when mixing logical and or and comparison operators for clarity. Aha, I see. Leverage short circuit for efficiency, avoid unnecessary simple expressions work. Do not assume A is less than B is greater than C implies A is less than C. Each comparison is evaluated separately. Okay. So A is less than B, but B is greater than C. That does not necessarily mean that A is less than C. Yeah, because let's say if A is 2 and B is 3, then this would be true because 2 is less than 3. Then if C would be 1, then this would also be true because 3 would be greater than 1. But then A, if A is 2, is not less than C1. Alright. Be careful when mixing or and without parentheses, as it can lead to unintended logical errors. I am sure I will run into these as I continue here. Okay, so this is a optimization thing. I mean, it's kind of funny that they talk about optimization and they bring an example where there's no optimization because it's 0, 0, 0 seconds, but okay. Alright, I think I get the idea.